if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my
Hey there, beautiful people. Today we're diving into the world of Laura Sahar, the stunning plus-size model taking Instagram by storm. Quick stats. Age: 28 years old. Height: 5 feet 8 inches, 173 centimeters. Weight: approximately 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. Location: Los Angeles, California. Social media queen. Laura's killing it online with Instagram, 1.2 million devoted followers. TikTok, 800K followers and growing. The Money Talk. Estimated net worth, $500,000. Income sources, brand deals, modeling contracts, and her own clothing line. Personal life, currently in a relationship with fitness entrepreneur Mark Thompson. Talk about couple goals, what she loves. When she's not slaying photo shoots, Laura's all about cooking up a storm. Check out her food blog. Yoga and wellness, advocating for body positivity, traveling the world. Remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe to see more amazing content. Laura proves that beauty comes in all sizes and confidence is the best accessory.